Good morning, dear students. Let us go to question number 16, because up to 15 we have done in the earlier classes. Now let us take question number 16. It is given here f of x equal to product of these factors, and then we are asked to find out what is f dash 1. Let us consider this whole function as y. Means f of x is same as y only, so we are taking it as y. So 1 plus x into 1 plus x square into 1 plus x to the power 4 into 1 plus x to the power of h. Okay, now let us apply here logarithm. So log of y is equal to log of 1 plus x log of 1 plus x square plus log of 1 plus x to the power of 4 plus log of 1 plus x to the power of h. Okay, now if we take the derivative of both sides, then derivative of log y is 1 by y into dy by dx, because with respect to x. So derivative of this one will be 1 by x, 1 plus x. Then derivative of x is 1 plus derivative of 1 plus x, log 1 plus x square is 1 by 1 plus x square, and derivative of x square is twice x. So here will be twice x plus this one 1 by x to the power of 1 plus x to the power 4. Then derivative of x to the power 4 is 4x cube plus it's 1 by x to the 1 plus x to the power of h, and derivative of x to the power of 8 is 7x cube, 7x to the power of 8x to the power of 7, because 8x to the power of 8, so 8x to the power of 7. So from here we can get dy by dx. So dy by dx is equal to y goes there, so y into 1 by 1 plus x plus twice x by 1 plus x square plus 4x cube by 1 plus x to the power 4 plus 8x to the power of 7 by 1 plus x to the power of h. Or this y you write now, y it is originally y stand for what? 1 plus x square plus into 1 plus x to the power 4 into 1 plus x to the power 8. So you write here 1 plus x into 1 plus x to the power of 4 into 1 plus x to the power of h. 1 plus x square is here, 1 plus x to the power 4 into x 1 plus x to the power of 8 into that is 1 by 1 plus x plus twice x by 1 plus x square plus 4x cube by 1 plus x to the power 4 plus 8x to the power of 7 by 1 plus x to the power of 8, bracket closed. So this is f dash x, because dy by dx is f dash x. Therefore f dash 1 will be equal to, in place of x you put 1 here, so 1 plus 1 it will be 2, 1 plus 1 or 1 plus 1 square, that will be also 2 only, because 1 plus 1 square is 1 only, so that is 2. So this will be another 2. So here will be 2, here will be 2, here will be 2, here will be also 2. So into bracket 1 by 1 plus 1 2 plus 2 into x means 2 into 1 2 by 1 plus 1 2 plus 4 into 1 cube is 1 divided by 1 plus 1 2 plus 8 it will be divided by 1 plus 1 2, bracket closed. So the final thing will be like this. Here will be 2 2 2, that is 16. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16. 1 by 2 plus 2 by 2 is 4 by 2. 1 by 2 plus 2 by 2 is 1 plus 4 by 2 is 2. 8 by 2 is 4. So here 16 into LCM is 2. 1 plus, here will be 2 plus 4 plus 8. By 2 you can cancel this one 8 times. So it will be 8 into, that is 4, 8, 4, 12, 12, 3, 15. that is equal to 15. 8 into 15 is 120. This is our answer. Okay students, this is the final answer for this question. Let us take question number 17. Here it is given, differentiate this product in 3 ways mentioned below by using product rule. First we will consider this one as U, this one as V. Let us solve it by using product rule. If we consider this as U, suppose we consider this x square minus 5x plus 8. This x square minus 5x plus 8 as U. This part as U. And this part as V into V. No? Then according to U into V, that product rule, we can find out dy by dx. dy by dx will be equal to U dash V plus V dash U. This way you can proceed. So U dash means derivative of this one, that is derivative of x square twice x minus derivative of minus 5x 5. This is U dash. V is this one, bracket x cube plus 7x plus 9 as it is, plus now V dash means derivative of this one. What will it be? 3x square derivative of x cube plus 7x is 7 into U. U is this one, x square minus 5x plus 8. Okay, so this is our answer for this dy by dx. We got the answer this way. If you want to further simplify, you can simplify, but not necessary because here is nothing common. You can leave the answer there. This is the answer. Okay. And next step is what? By expanding the product to obtain a single polynomial. Okay, before that, suppose we expand this one. How it will be? How will be the result? 2x into x cube is 2x to the power of 4. 2x into 7x is 14x square. 2x into 9 is 18x. Minus 5 into x cube is minus 5x cube. Minus 5 into 7 is minus 35x. Minus 5 into 9 is minus 45. Then by 3x square into x square, if you multiply it, it will be 3x to the power of 4. 3x square into minus 5x, that is a minus 15x cube. 3x square into plus 8, 24x square. So the final thing will be like this. If we combine the like terms now, look at the like terms. So the like terms are like this. Here 2x to the power 4, here is 3x to the power 4. So that means x to the power 4 here 5 times. 5x to the power 4. Then x cube here 5 times, here 15 times negative. 5 times negative. So minus 20 times negative x cube. No? That means 20 times x cube negative. Then x square 14 times here, again 24 times here negative, positive. That will be 38 times x square. Then 18x, and here minus 35x. Altogether it will be minus 15 minus 8, 17x. Then you have got minus 45 and nothing else. So minus 45 only. Minus 45, and then 7 is a 56. I forgot to write. 7x square. Where is this 7x square part? Students, just you see. Oh, I mistook. By after multiplying 3x square, I have not multiplied by 7. 7x square plus 7x square. Then 7 into 5, 35. Minus 35x. Then 7 into 8, 56. So then it will increase again. 5x to the power 4 minus 20x cube, and x square will increase now because x square here 14 times, here 24 times, here 7 times. So already x square was 38 times plus 7 times is increased, so 45 times x square. Then your x, now you count 35x, 70x, no more x here, minus 70x. Then you count these real numbers, minus 45 constants, minus 45, and here plus 56, that is plus 1, 5 minus 4, 1, 11. This will be our answer for this 17 first question, Roman number 1. So this was the answer of 17.1. Next 17.2, you have to multiply, first finding the product, then you again differentiate, expanding the product to obtain a single polynomial. If we expand this, x square into x cube, this will be x to the power of y will be equal to x to the power of 5. X square into 7x, that will be plus 7x cube. Then x square into 9 plus 9x square. Minus 5 into minus 5x into x cube, minus 5x to the power of 4. Minus 5x into minus plus 7x. 7 5 is 35x. Minus 5x into 9, that is 45x. That is 35x square, and this will be 45x, minus 45x. Okay, then by 8 into x cube plus 8x cube. Okay, then here 8 into 7, 56x. 56x. 8 into 9, 72. So we have x to the power of 5. So x cube here 8 times, and here 7 times, 15 times. And x square here 9 times, here that is 35 times, negative. So you have got x square here 9 times, and oh sorry, x3 or 4 I forgot to write. Okay, I am writing here 5 x3 or 4. Then x square here 9 times, and here 35 times, negative 9, 14, 15 minus 9, 6. This is minus 26. Then x here 45 times, negative 56 times, positive. Then it will be 11 times, positive, plus 72. Once again you check the product. X square into x cube is x to the power 5. X square into 7x is 7x cube. Then x square into 9 is 9x square. Now by minus 5x. Minus 5x into x cube, minus 5x to the power 4. Minus 5x into 7x, minus 35x square. Minus 5x into 9, minus 45x. Now by 8x cube, 8 7 is 56x, 8 9 is 72. So now let us find out dy by dx. Its derivative 5x to the power of 4. Then it will be 15x cube, x cube, and this will, that is 3 into 15, 45 x square. Then minus 4 into 5, 20 x cube. No? Then 2 into 26, 52, minus 52 x, then plus 11. So we got something different. Here we should have got 45x square. We got 45x square, correct. 20, correct. And here 52x, and here 70x. How it is? So this 52x, and here it is 70x. We have made a mistake here, students. It was 18x positive, 35x, 35x negative, 35x, 35x, 70x minus 18x, that will be 52. So this number also will become 52. Okay, we have realized the mistake. So this is the answer. Same answer we are getting. 5x3 over 4 minus 20x cube plus 45x square minus 52x plus 11. Here also same. Okay, now the same answer we are getting. So by the product rule or by expanding into a single polynomial also we are getting the same, we are arriving at the same answer. By logarithmic differentiation, let us see. Let us consider y equal to, again same thing, that is x square minus 5x plus 8 into x cube plus 7x plus 9. So using logarithm here, log y is equal to log of x square minus 5x plus 8 plus log of x cube plus 7x plus 9. Okay, then using differentiation here, we can say here 1 by y dy by dx is equal to 1 by x square minus 5x plus 8. Then differentiation of this one, x square minus 5x will give us twice x minus 5 plus its differentiation 1 by x cube plus 7x plus 9 into x cube plus 7x plus 9, its differentiation 3x square plus 7. Okay, we got here dy by dx equal to y goes there, y into twice x minus 5 by x square minus 5x plus 8 plus 3x square plus 7 by x cube plus 7x plus 9. Okay, so y is actually what? X square minus 5x plus 8, x square minus 5x plus 8 into x cube plus 7x plus 9. Inside bracket we have twice x minus 5 by x square minus 5x plus 8 plus thrice x square plus 7 by x cube plus 7x plus 9. Okay, now by this, when we will multiply over this bracket, then this will get cancelled here because it is getting cancelled with this one. With that, it will, this twice x minus 5 will get multiplied with this one, and here 3x square plus 7 will get multiplied with this one because it will get cancelled here. So after multiplying by this whole thing inside bracket, as we will open the bracket, the expression will be like this: twice x minus 5 into x square plus x cube plus 7x plus 9 plus twice this will get cancelled and this will remain, so it will be 3x square plus 7 into x square minus 5x plus 8. You understood now? Because here this will get cancelled, this will get cancelled with this one, and in the next term this will get cancelled with this one. Okay, that's all. As the bracket will be open, the expression will be like this, and their product, you know, already we have multiplied like this in the previous expression. So the result is what? That previous result. What was the result? 5x to the power of 4. So the result will be this line only: 5x to the power of 4 minus 20x cube plus 45x square minus 52x plus 11. After simplifying, you will get this result only, because you saw here also you saw the same thing: twice x minus 5 into x square plus 7x plus 9, 3x square plus 7 into x square minus 5x plus 8. That product is this one. So same product we are getting, okay, by all the three methods. Look at question number 18. If u, v, w are functions of x only, then show that ddx of u into v into w is equal to du by dx into uv vw plus u into dv by dx into w plus u into v into dw by dx. Okay, in two ways we have to show: first by repeated application of product rule, second by logarithmic differentiation. Let us do by first this repeated application of product rule. Okay, question number 18. Suppose you consider this v into w as a single number. So if we consider, suppose v into this part as a single number, that means it is a product of two numbers. Suppose e into another number, this is one number, suppose, then it will be by that u v rule, that is it will be ddx of u into vw as it is, v into w, plus then ddx of vw into, this is derivative, into the function u, treating like as a product of two addition functions, u into v. This whole thing is supposed to be a single quantity. Suppose inside this is suppose a single quantity. So you can say like this, ddx of u into v plus ddx of v into u. Now again, after this it will become du by dx into v into w plus, now again you treat this one as u into v as a product of two quantities. Then you can say again inside this what shall we get, ddx of v into w. Okay, means ddx of first quantity into the second quantity. Now plus the first quantity into ddx of the second quantity, ddx of w. Okay, bracket close, into outside what is there, u is there. Okay, as we will open the bracket, now it will be like this, du by dx into v into w plus, if you open this bracket it will be dv by dx into u into w plus dw by dx into u into v, dw by dx into u into v. Okay students, this is our answer. By repeated application of product rule. Okay students, now by second method using logarithm, say y equal to u into, suppose we are considering y equal to u into v into w, and if we use here logarithm, log of u y is equal to log of u plus log of v plus log of w. That will be, now again take derivative of both sides, 1 by y into dy by dx is equal to 1 by u into du by dx plus 1 by v into dv by dx plus 1 by w into dw by dx. So then by this dy by dx, by this y, when we will multiply right hand side, it will be like this, y into, that is 1 by u into du by dx, 1 by v into dv by dx plus 1 by w into dw by dx. So it will be now here y is what, u into v into w, then you multiply here u into v into w, you multiply here 1 by u into du by dx plus 1 by v into dv by dx plus 1 by w into dw by dx. So by this u v w multiply over this, it will be now du by dx into u cancel here, and it will be v into w plus, then v will get cancelled next, it will be dv by dx, v when cancel it will be u into w. So it will be u here v will get cancelled, then it will be dv by dx into uw plus w is cancelled here, then it will be dw by dx into w cancelled, and it will be u into v, which is the answer. Before also we got the same answer, so the same answer here also, dy by dx. So d dx of, which is d dx of u into v into w. This is our answer. Okay students, thank you.